Welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning. Who's ready for a live session here, London session? Let's have a phenomenal session, everybody. Good morning, everybody that's already on. Appreciate you guys jumping on early. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. And let's make some money. How about that? How are you guys feeling today? We're doing good? I got new people here today, or I got same crowd? Huh? All right. Sorry, I got on a little bit late, man. It's been a hectic ass day. Been handling a bunch of stuff, and well, you know how it goes. But I'm here. I'm here for you guys. Dude, hold on a second. Look at GU. What a fucking asshole. Look at this. 66 pips. Shit, potentially fucking 82 pips. What a mother effer. This was yesterday. We're down 33 pips for the week. Yesterday we took our first trade of the week. First 2 trades, took 2 L's back to back on GJ or on GU and gold. So there's that. Let's get that out of the way. But you know what? I'm not worried, man. I shake it off, and that's super important in this game because L's are part of the game, guys. Hadn't taken a loss in a while, was on a nice little winning streak. Took 2 L's back to back. It is what it is. We come back, we do our thing, and let's just get into it. Let's look at GJ. God dang, look at GJ. Fuck. This was at 3 o'clock, dude. Damn. See, but the thing is that because I took 2 L's back to back, I couldn't trade anymore for the day. So this setup was still valid. If you guys caught this shit, which you should have seen this break, you would have gotten in right here. Boom. You would have put your stops above the wick and you would have rode this thing down. I mean, here was your initial target. 50 pips, but this thing fucking fell like 100 plus. Jesus. Did anybody catch that? God. I don't know how much easier I can make it for you guys. Look at that. I mean, I feel bad because I missed out, but my rules are my rules. You know what I'm saying? Like I couldn't. There's nothing I could do about that. I couldn't trade after taking 2 L's. Like it's just, it is what it is. You know. All right, guys. Let's get started here. It's 12:45. You know how we do clean charts, clean charts. Let's do top-down analysis. Uh-oh. Monthly has now flipped bearish. What? That's happening, guys. Maybe it's finished its move. Maybe it's time to go on a bear run. I mean, we're talking about highs from 2018. This thing came up to test back in April 2018. January 2018. Man, I mean, you know, it's been on a huge run for sure. For sure. Weekly is also bearish, almost bearish engulfing candle. We got about 2 days, 16 hours left on the week. And, you know, if this closes below here, ooh, we may be on our way down to find some support on the day. This is the weekly. Daily. The daily. Push up, retrace, push up. I mean, it could easily just be a retrace. Look, we're right here at this zone right here. Very important zone on the daily, right? See what could come of this. Look at the 4-hour. All right, so 4-hour. I want to go ahead and mark down some areas here. A little. These are all areas of support here, but they're kind of close, you know? Like we could probably group them all together, to be honest. Maybe I want to focus on the last one. And I understand there's a couple of levels there, right? And then maybe one right here, you know, right here. Broke through here. Maybe it's gonna retest before it continues. Who knows? So 1 hour. Let's look at the. I mean, that was 4-hour. Let's look at the 1 hour just to get some refinement here. And I want to go ahead and move this down just a bit. Right there. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I like it. All right. Look at the 30-minute. What do we see? What do we see, guys? What do we see? All right, so we have this level right here. Let's change the color. I mean, the current level of support. That it looks like it's breaking right now. Right here, right? And if we were to put, because you see we got all these little wicks right here, but if we were to break this, close below, we have about 14 pip first area, then about 35 pips here, 48, and then if we come down to test the 4-hour zone, about 90. Right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put target levels around here just so I can be aware of the area. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Look at it, look at it, look at it. That could be it. That could be the move. It's already down. I know we got London Open, so maybe we can catch a quick 15 pips. We might see some London volume pushes back into the range. Who knows? Who knows? Let's identify top level here. If we were to put it right there, what does our range look like? About 16 pips first levels, 26 And then Jesus thing. I mean, we have this 4 hour, right? But gotta be aware of 95 right here. If we retrace the whole move, about 136. Wow. Wow. Mike, what's good, bro? Morning. I hadn't seen you in a while, bro. I thought you forgot about me. All right, so we got two nice levels right here. You know, this first one right here would be around here, right? Then we have another level around here. We also have to pay attention to this 4 hour level of resistance. But breaking that, really, like, we got some nice clean traffic to the upside. Moving up all the way to retrace the entire move. I don't necessarily think that that's going to be what's happening. I think it's finally coming down, just based on this huge move right here. So let's see where we are. Let's see what's going on. You know, so we're about maybe 3 pips away from breaking here. We don't want it to be this candle, because this candle will give us a really big stop, and the risk to reward probably isn't worth it at this point. So if anything, you know, I'd like it to come down, just wick down here, close above, and then be the next candle. That would be nice, right? So let's go ahead and write up what we're looking at here on the 30-minute. We're looking at potential sells below 151.601. Boom. Nailed it. All right, next one. Potential buys above 151.954. All right, so it looks like it's breaking to the downside right now, which is something we want to see, but like I said, we wanted to just wick. We got about 8.5 minutes here. I was out of the country, bro. Damn. Where'd you go, bro? Came to the States or what? Oof. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's cool. Sorry, I just got an email looking at, got invited to go speak at this event. All right, so you know, this is really good indication that we're continuing our movement down. You know, we had this massive move down through the New York session, and then after the New York session, well, you know, I say after, but after the open, it really kind of tapered off, beginning to consolidate right here afternoon, 12 o'clock, just consolidated here, and maybe this next push here is going to be the one that pushes down. And we're about 7 minutes away from the candle closing here on the 30-minute, and it's doing exactly what I wanted, which is it's wicking to the downside. That's what we want, because this right here, you know, I haven't even measured it, but just by looking at it, you know, putting our stops above the wick, this 21 pip stop, our first target's right here at 16 pips, no longer worth the risk to reward, right? Yeah, we have a very large potential to the downside here, which is about 93 pips, which makes it 4-4. But that this doesn't necessarily mean we'll catch this whole thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, this just means potential targets. If the volume is there and pushes it, it will go down here. Eventually, it will go down here. Will it go down during our session right here at this moment? I have no freaking idea. Remember, we don't predict price. We just react to it. All right, and we want to be extra careful today. We took 2 L's yesterday. We're down 33 pips for the week. Down 2%. I gotta get back in the game, shake it off, and you know, do what I do, man. I mean, this is, I don't know how much more transparent one can be when you take losses live in front of everybody and then come back the next session and show you guys like I did nothing different. Everything is still the same. I know I took losses yesterday, but everything I'm doing here is exactly the same because that's what works. Yes, there will be some losses in there. Tough shit. That's part of the game. And if you're not trading to account for that with your risk management, your trade management, you need to stop because you're going to freaking just blow it. You're going to lose all your money. That's gambling, man. You know? So it's unfortunate that we didn't get to fucking catch this big ass move. This was nice, man. What time was this at 1:30? Well, we saw this coming down, right? But our lower area was over here, right? And it didn't break that till about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is when they broke that. And man, if we would have got in right here at the 3 o'clock, the end of the 3 o'clock candle, sheesh, this would have pushed us 92 pips, like boom, and then pulled up and then even further. But I mean, a clear 92 pips right there would have been hella nice. Hella nice. Anyways, we're not in an active trade, guys. If you're just jumping on the stream, I just finished the setup here for GJ. We're looking to break out of this little consolidation area, this zone, and we're looking for opportunities either breaking above or breaking below. Don't matter which way it goes, we make money both ways. Obviously, it looks like the overall trend is turning to bearish. So, you know, it would be nice to catch a couple of sells up here that would eventually continue to push down further, right? So look at that. Look at the candle. It's 3.5 minutes, and it's pushing up, just like I wanted it. It's wicking. That's what I want to see, right? Because the next candle, you know, if it opens right here, may wick up a little bit. You know, it may give us that 10 pip stop, which is way better, right? So that's what we want to focus on, getting good entries, taking high probability trades. All right. Trying to share this link real quick. Yo, when you guys like, do you guys have any issues like sharing the link, like the YouTube link? Like if you were to share it, you know, like, I don't know, on another social media platform or just sending it to someone, does it like block you or have any issues with that? I'm just asking because I was having some issues and like I didn't want to like generate the link, I guess. Like the link was there, but you know how it generates the thumbnail? It wasn't working. So we got about 2 minutes here. I just want to stay on this right now. I know I usually do gold too, but I don't want to move from that. This was yesterday's, and look at this motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gold. Why are you like this? Jesus. Gosh. I hate this, dude. I hate the way it can be, dude. Like, it's just frustrating, man. Fuck! Ah, that's how I feel. Because look at this. Our initial setup was right here, right? We didn't get to jump in because this thing ran, right? So then we jumped in again on this second chance attempt right here, and we put our stops in the same place. This thing came down, found support right here, right? And just fucking shot up, hitting every freaking take profit. Bro, I hate gold, bro. freaking hate you, man. Like he can be very, very good, but it can also do this stupidity, bro. Like there's not even like look our levels. It just dude, fuck gold, fucking gold. That's the way gold can be, man. She's a fickle mistress. Fickle mistress. And the other L we took was on GU, which we don't normally trade, right? This thing broke right here, and we're like, okay, yeah, let's take it on this candle. And the fucking thing just melted from there, like from literally entry, just melted. And I hadn't even said, like, I was like, okay, here's our bottom level. If it breaks here, you know, you have a chance to enter into a sell. I didn't enter it obviously because I had already lost twice, but this sell literally played out. Hit both take profit levels, the next main level, even further test the bottoms. Wow. What a day, bro. What a day. What's up, Tom? I didn't know if you were gonna come back, bro. You were gonna be like, man, Lord Banks took 2 L's back to back. Ain't he gonna show up? I bet you there's some people who be like, nah, I ain't coming back. He took 2 L's. That's the way it is though, man. Like, you know, you gotta you have to trade with the mindset that those will come. You don't know when they'll come, but they will surprise the fuck out of you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been on a winning streak and I ended March phenomenally. I started April awesome, and I was like, man, like, I want this to be record breaking for me. And literally first full week, boom, took 2 back-to-back L's. And that's that we on Monday had no trade. We had no trade on Monday. Tuesday, it's set up for us and we took it and we got slapped in the face. Just smacked, bro. You know what I'm saying? Bruh. And it's all good, bro. Like, you know, if you like completely blew your account on those 2 L's, or like are at a point now that you can't trade, like that says more about your risk management, your trade management than anything else. Because that's the most important thing. The most important thing is not the wins. It's being able to give yourself an opportunity to trade like again. You know what I'm saying? Like if you go all in and you lose and you're all out, you bust your account, like, dude, you're not trading right. Like, you have to always be conscious of the fact that you need to give yourself another chance every single time. You know? Guys, Mike, Abia, good morning. Lord Banks, good morning, good morning. What I missed, just tuning in. Nothing, bro. Like, we just did our analysis on GJ. We have our little range right here. Came down, wick down, and we didn't want this candle because it was a big candle. And I said, hopefully we want the next one to be the one that breaks and closes below. So we have a decent stop loss and a better risk to reward. So right now we're just waiting on the candle to see if it breaks and closes below. We want the body of the candle to close below this area to give us indication that it's going to continue to run, right? That is what we want. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh man. But anyways, man, yeah, you know, and then my setups for the Telegram, you know, I had like maybe 3-4 different pairs that I was watching, waiting for the price to reach the area to hit my alert so I could, you know, set up a trade, call it out on the Telegram. Bro, none of them fucking triggered. Only one triggered, right? And like, I was waiting to get confirmation for an entry, and it just kept going. Like, it never went my direction, you know? So, you know, I didn't call it out. I know I also had a setup. Yeah, look at this, dude. Remember the GJ we were talking about yesterday? For those that were here yesterday, we were like, oh, look, this GJ disrespected this. We could trade this range and take a sell right here and write it down. And literally, I mean, this was about 79 pips, right? And if you would have held it, Jesus, like 160 pips it fell. Maybe I need to start trading GA again. I was trading GA last year, like around August, September, October, and it was nice. I mean, it moves pretty nice, but I got into this like little funky like area where it wasn't respecting anything, and it was just moving really weird, and I didn't like it, so I jumped out and I went like back just to GJ. You know, for the most part, I'm always gonna be about GJ. GJ pays the bills. You know, like yesterday. Like I feel bad yesterday that I fucking did GU. Like I don't do GU. Like I don't trade. Like I trade GBP pairs, but like I've been very consistent with GJ and gold. Like I don't know why I took the fucking GU. Like if I hadn't taken that GU, I would have fucking had the opportunity right here at 3 o'clock to take the GJ, and we would have caught all this. We would have caught all this because, you know, I'd stream till 3:30. If I still had, you know, one trade to go, I would have just lost gold. I would have had one trade to go. This would have executed, right? And I would have jumped in, and we would have caught this whole thing. Boom. Really nice. But of course, I had to step out of my plans and violate my own rules, and that's why I lost. I lost because I violated my own freaking rules. You see how like simple that is. Like if I would have stuck to my rules, I wouldn't have lost yesterday. I mean, maybe on the gold, but imagine like if I would have caught this here. Like just calculate it. On the gold, we lost 25 pips. Okay. Now, if I would have jumped in on this thing and just written it down here, 91, I would have made back everything. Like it would have been, you know, a winning day even with that losing trade. Damn you, GU. It's all good though. Part of the game. We just keep it moving. All right, so I like that this is going bearish. We got about 22 minutes left though, so I don't want too much volume. I don't want it to come down too far, right? It did establish a little top wick, which is nice. You know, I can look to put my stops right above that, but ideally I would like, you know, an entry level down here when it closes. That's what I would be looking for, and maybe I can just ride this baby down all the way. Like this would be 90 pips. That would bring us out of the hole. We're in the hole about 33. Rathan, oh shit, I don't know how to say your name, but Rathnayaki says appreciate it, bro. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. You know, I try my best here, but I don't know how to say that. Hopefully I said it okay enough. But anyways, this is where we're at. We have a setup. It's literally at our price area. We want to see candle close below. Good enough risk to reward. And we'll enter this trade. No biggie. No problem. We'll make it happen. Got about 21 minutes left on the 30-minute candle. Ideally, I want to enter on the 30-minute candle. If this thing is running by the time it gets to like 16 minutes left, I want to maybe look at the 15-minute to see if there's an entry. Damn, look, it's fucking melting. Chill out, GJ. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. About 11, 12 pip stop right there. Come on, baby. Let's get it, baby. Got about 20 minutes left here. Right. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. You see this? Oh man, this is not nice. Like, damn it, man. I hope it pulls back some. Jesus. Look, it already hit first level. Man. And even on the 15, it's fucking... Damn it, GJ. That's some bullshit. That's our trade right there. Look, they're melting. Fucking melting. Wow. I'm not gonna chase trades, guys, so I'm not jumping in, and I'm not... We'll just have to reset after this. I mean... even if it pulls back, man, that I'm not gonna like that massive ass wick. I mean, like, would be... It pulls back like a 20 pip wick, like 15 pip wick. Don't really want that. Oh my goodness. Why you gotta do me like that, GJ? Let's see what this range is here. About 20 pips. But just look at this risk, like 28 pip stop. I'm not gonna do a 28 pip stop. Hell no. Oh my gosh. Damn it, man. Pull back, GJ. Got 3 minutes left on the 15, 18 on the 30. It's not what we wanted to see. I mean, we wanted it to close below, but damn, shit just melted. Now there's definitely more probability that it's gonna pull back up. I mean, it's moved about 43 pips to the downside without any interruption, so I would definitely say there's gonna be a pullback. Damn, this thing happened quick too. What time is it? 1? Okay, well. What's gold doing? Alright, let's get rid of all this. If it breaks below here, at about 44 pips, 46. Down here at the bottom, 61. Maybe we'll look for breaks below here. Below this. The 30. About to the top. 40 pips, 47, very top 60. Not bad, not bad. I didn't do top-down analysis on this because it's not a like I only do that for you guys because I can see it already. I mean, you'll if you're new to trading, you'll get there the more you do it. But I just wanted to kind of be quick with it because I want to go back and look at what GJ is doing. Potential sells below 1735. Okay. All right. So here's a nice little setup for gold. We can identify targets right here. Right here. Top side right here. Right here. That makes sense. Fucking GJ. What an asshole. Got about 14 minutes left. How did the 15-minute close? Oh. This next 15 will probably pull up. Watch. Unless it's just melting. What up, Sonny? Bro, where you been at? I needed you the other day to poke gold, or I don't know what it was, but I was like, where's Sonny at? Hope you're doing good, brother. Thanks for joining us here today. Yeah, I mean, like ideally we wanted it over here. Hey man, in my time zone, I'm awake on pre-London, pre-London, London, pre-New York, New York, London, close. Should I just stick with one time frame? You need to come up with a trading plan, bro, and that trading plan needs to tell you all of that. It needs to tell you which pair, which time, like which strategy, and you need to just do that. Do that over and over and over and over until like you have data to tell you if it's working, if it's not, if you need to tweak it, like, and that data comes from logging, journaling your trades, right? Like wins and losses. Losses, you want to figure out how you could avoid them, cut them earlier, whatever. Like you need to dissect that and figure out why. You know, wins, okay, could you have held him longer? Could you have gotten in earlier? Like all of that, you need to dissect that. And by doing so, you'll have your, you know, trading style, your plan and all that. You know, you can easily come on London and get a trade, you know, because there's volume. New York as well, Asian as well. You know what I'm saying? Like you can trade whatever time you want. I mean, the market's open like all day, but you have to choose what works best for you. You know, I chose London session because I deal with the GBP pairs and I love the volatility, and like this just, it fits my plan, you know. So that's why I fell on London, you know. But I mean, I used to trade London and New York, you know. I used to just trade New York. Like I loved getting up like at 5 a.m, cashing out by like 8, 9 a.m, and then going about my day, you know. So it just really depends on, you know, what works best for you. You can't have anybody tell you that, because I don't know your lifestyle. I don't know your schedule. I don't know what you got going on in your life, you know. Like for me, like I just do this London session because I got a bunch of other shit I have that I'm handling, you know. I have different business ventures and stuff, so after this, like I go about my business, you know. Let's see. Sunny EU was making me not trade and stuff. It's been doing some hiring, like some fuckery. Yeah, maybe because of the holiday, the banks closed. So, you know, there was a lot of like probably backed up transactions, and you know, once all those transactions came in, I mean, you saw the freaking moves, like ridiculous. Thanks, man. That helped a lot. Hey, you're welcome, brother. I'm here for it. I am here for it, guys. Ask and I will answer. And it's not to say like, you know, like my answers are not fucking rule all over everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, my strategy is not the only strategy. The way I do things is not the only way you do. There's many ways to slice a pie. You know what I'm saying? So like, you just have to find a way to pinpoint your way that works good for you, for your personality. I think that's why a lot of traders find it difficult to find consistency, and essentially are not profitable, because you know, they're jumping around from strategy to strategy, from session to session, and never pinpointing, okay, like, how can I be consistent and how can I be profitable? Everybody wants to make money, but in order to develop that consistency and profitability, like, you have to be able to do one thing the same way repetitively long enough to be able to measure the data out of that to get better. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know how to explain it. You know, I tell you guys on the stream all the time, like, trading is like an experiment, and the market is the variable. You have to be the constant. You have to be the constant. So do the same shit. Do it over. Like, you guys see me. Go look at all of my videos that I have so far. I do the same goddamn thing. Like, I come on here and I do the analysis the same way. I look at the same shit at the same time. I set up the same way. I look for the same shit, and I trade the same thing. It's the same shit. I'm not doing anything different. You know, that's what's profitable. You know, and then, you know, as you gain experience and you got that consistency, and you're profitable, you're making money, you have that going for you, you can keep that going, and then explore other strategies and other ways. Like, you know, there's tons of stuff out there of how to trade, but just nail one down. Do one first. You know what I'm saying? Like, get one right. Because once you start making that money, that I'm sure everybody's in here because they just want to make all this money, right? Which it shouldn't be your main focus, because that'll fuck your whole psychology up. But once you nail that one thing, bro, that is systematic. You just keep doing that, and then you can explore different strategies, different pairs, different types of stuff. Because, you know, there's so many ways. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's different trading styles, there's different strategies, there's different, you know, ways to look at markets. You know, like, some people trade news, some people trade, you know, specific type of, you know, information. Like, you know, there's so many different things, you know, indicators, you know, fibs, like, you know, RSIs, Bollinger Bands, like MACD, like, all, like, I know all of that. Ichimoku, like, all of that. There's tons. But I'm not going to sit here and go over all of that shit, overwhelm you guys, and then you're still in the same fucking spot. You know what I'm saying? Like, I come in here, I don't talk about none of that other shit. I come in here, do the same thing over and over and over and over and over. My goal is that at some point, you just start doing the same thing over and over and over, and then you'll find that consistency. And then you'll be like, you know what? Lord Banks was right. That dude right there finally got through to me after all these YouTube videos and everything. The problem is that every different video you're watching, they do it differently. Even if it's the same strategy, it's what they do for them. You know what I'm saying? Like that strategy works for them that way, you know? And then you got a lot of fucking fluff on the internet too, where some of them are not even fucking trading. They're just, you know, showing you a video that, You know, I don't know. I mean, it could be a fucking demo account or just one fucking win that they've seen in their life. And then all of a sudden people are like, oh yeah, let's trust this guy. You know, like, I mean, I show up and do it in front of you guys live. Wins and losses. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, they ain't gonna make or break me. I'm making my money regardless, you know? But anyways, enough of all that. Sunny, no, it was backed up. The news didn't matter. They went opposite of the news. So they had great numbers, and they were like, nope, USD is weak. Evan, do you see Bitcoin finally breaking above 60K this week, or will it be stuck in the 50? Bro, I don't trade crypto. I invest in crypto, but I don't trade crypto. So I don't know. I mean, like, I don't mind doing analysis sometimes on crypto, but I don't trade it. I don't know. I mean, crypto is fucking, it's like the Wild West, bro. Like, it's very, very unpredictable. Nobody really knows. Like, it's just, oh shit, look at XRP is at $1. Wow, this thing jumped up to what? $1.11? Hell yeah. This is probably because he got relisted on Coinbase, right? Hell yeah, that's what's up. Damn, I hadn't even checked my hell yeah, this is gonna be nice. It's at $1, guys. I bought XRP at 17 cents. So yeah, and I saw this. I saw XRP. I had XRP when it shot up to like $3, and I was like, dude, I'm about to fucking retire. Like, this is gonna be awesome. And then it came fucking crashing down. Like, oh, it was ridiculous. But dude, I just saw that it's at $1. That's awesome. Awesome sauce. All right, let's get back here to do. I mean, it's pulling back a bit. We got just under 4 minutes. Really not enough though, man. Like, shit. It's pulling back to this level that ideally you want to break that too. If it doesn't pull back to up here to give us at least this range, I want it to at least be broken under here to give us this range, you know? But with so much momentum to the downside, it's just bound to pull back a bit, you know? So how much drawdown? Look at this. This candle is pretty big. It's about 23 pip. Stop. Uh-oh, look at gold. Gold completely pulled back, wants to go up, rejected this, or respected this support, really. See, the wick came down to this area, said no, pushed it way up. Now it's breaking the top right here. Maybe an opportunity to get in there, but even with this one, look at the wick. You know, our wick would be down here, 32 pip stop. Kind of big, man. Fuck. You know, gold, usually I want to be around 20. Usually my GJ is around 10 pip stop. Gold, I double that because it's gold. But this is like 32. Yesterday we took it at 25. And we lost that. We'll keep watching this. We got about 2.5 minutes here left. See how this ends up closing on the 30-minute. We'll see, we'll see. You never know, guys, you never know. Remember, we're not here as traders. Our job is not to predict the price. It's only to react to it. Got about 2 minutes left on this candle. It's pushing back down. And this fucking stop is 27 pips. And I know it's gonna pull up. It's gonna pull up. It's gotta pull up. It's just a lot of, this is 2 heavy candles to the downside. Even if it's just a wick, it's gotta pull up. Damn it. About 16. Got about a minute and 15 seconds left on this candle. Damn it, son. Damn it, son. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. I had to sneeze. Why not on GJ? Wouldn't you do half of the candle plus 1 pip? What do you mean half of the candle plus 1 pip? Like stops? Talking about like where I put my stop loss? You think it could retrace the whole candle, but it doesn't always. No, I know, but like the probability of, I want to give it the room to play. I don't think if it's going to continue down, it will come up here, because then it, I mean, obviously it wouldn't be following any of the rules. We got 15 seconds left here. This is now 30 pip risk. God damn it. It's too much for me, man. And I mean, it wouldn't, no, it's not worth it for me. Now we got 12 pips in the first. Nope. I'm not jumping in the, I mean, you guys can jump in if you want, but I'm not taking it. This stop is too big for me. This potential for the next level is too small for me. Not even full 15 pips, you know, like, and it could just fucking melt. It could. What do you do, you know? It is what it is. All right, look at gold. Gold closed above. Damn, this fucking wick. It's kind of big. Markets are just funky today, man. Not what I want to see. No, I'm not getting in gold either. Not yet. Like I need a better setup. This wick is too big, this candle's too big. Like, you know, maybe it'll be break above this, you know. We'll see. We're gonna keep watching. Let's see here. Foreign white gold is breaking to, yeah, you know, I seen that, but look at what I'm looking at. Like, you see this huge wick, you see this big candle. Like, I don't like the fact that my stops is like enormous over here, you know. Like, you see these right here, like I would have much rather wanted one of those with like 20 pip stop. If I would have had like a 20 pip stop like right around here, I would have been more inclined to take that. It's just the probability now already is not in my favor. Let's see. Yes, stops. Yeah, because I just like the wick, bro. Like, look at gold. Nice. I like to go based off the previous wick because of the fact that if it's moving in one direction, especially with volume, like if it comes back to either create a lower lower than the wick or a higher higher than that wick, then the whole move is invalid for the strategy that I'm doing. So I want to give it that room to play in. God damn, look at gold. Tom Bennett, I bought gold at 1736. Nice. This guy, look at you. You bought it down here, 1736.27. Damn, bro, you got in low as fuck. Right here. Okay. You probably saw this bullish engulfing. I mean, this is a nice setup too. I mean, if you're trading this type of setups, you know. But I probably would have got in over here. Probably took it a little earlier. Not bad, bro. You should be in hella profits. Be in hella profits. Sonny, look on GJ 5-minute candle to understand what I was saying about the half. Okay. Let me see. Wait, you're talking about 5 minutes? Yeah, I mean, I see what you're talking about. Like, you have this little level, which is literally the level that I was identifying here. And if I was trading on the 5, like this break right here, I would have got in right here, put my stops right here, and then rode that. But I'm not trading on the 5. I'm trading on the 30 minute. And that's, I mean, probably just missed the trades for today, guys. I mean, if you guys caught it, the setup was there. The setup was valid. It fucking moved where we were headed. So if you took it, congratulations. Good shit. I mean, because from where I had put breaks at, I mean, I already went about 45 pips and 45 pips. Eesh. I know, just something to consider. Yeah. Yeah, I can look at it, man. It's just like I like sticking to my rules just because that doesn't work every time, because you know how weak the 5 minute is, and I'm trying to catch nice volume movement, like breakout, because you know, like the breakout at some point it's going to come back and retest the area that it broke out of, right? So we don't know when that'll actually happen, but I want to catch the move towards that way before it comes for the retest, you know. And in order to do so, like I need some strength, some volume behind it. Damn, both of these fucking setups, like, oh man, that sucks. It sucks. That would have been nice trades. I mean, it'd have been in profit here. It'd have been in profit in GJ. What a fucking shame. Fabian, what's good, brother? Wow, gold, Sunny. Yes, it doesn't always, but it had support. Yeah. Plus, it had the extra volume. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that when I review my, like, these setups afterwards, you know, I'll probably see this and consider it, you know, because yeah, I mean, we had crazy volume push down. This one broke this level. That would have been my indication to jump in. Stops above here, and it would have gone and dropped down maybe like 2-3 pips, but then fell down here. So I see what you're saying. Could have totally been that. Let's see. Gold, man. The break, where to go? 24 pips, 25 pips. Now, this would have been 25 pips here, 45 over there. I mean, been up like 70 pips already. Also, if you look at 5 minute, look at all the consolidation on the GJ 5 minute. Are you talking about all of this consolidation? Because I mean, that same consolidation is where I put my range to break out of. I had already identified on a higher time frame, right? Yeah. Oh, I know. I seen that. Consolidated all this on the 30 minute. That's why I put my range right here to break out top or to the bottom here. Chose the bottom, which makes sense because, you know, it's starting to turn bearish, so consolidate, break out. And gold's still flying. If you're in gold, this would be the first area I would focus on to take profit. Second area right here. For GJ, I mean, it hit the first area right here already, and the second, and A couple of pips away from the third. The fourth is down here. So I think it's like, it was like 6 pips away from hitting take profit 3. That thing just melted though. I wish we would have been able to get in up here on the break. You know, maybe it was this 5-minute candle right here. Getting in right there. Stops above here. That would have been a what, 18 pip stop? Damn. 18 pip stop on that break, but would have caught all this. It is what it is, guys. I mean, but you see the setup fucking played out perfectly. I mean, at this point at the take profit 2, you know, I would have been adjusting my stop loss, break even, taking some profits, you know, let a runner run. You know, just so you're not, you know, risking any of the profits you already made. All right, where are we at here? Look at it pulling back though. Damn, about 19 minutes left here. Gold still pushing up. Alright guys, I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Fabian said caught GJ, but damn, Golden GU played out nice. I know, man. It did. Right after it stopped me out. Bastard. Oh, look, GJ's pulling back up. See that? It would have been so much nicer catching that move down here. Would have caught really nice move. See what gold is doing. And still pushing up. Man, another thing, guys, I might not be streaming Thursday and Friday. I'm going out of town. I gotta go to a wedding. I'm going to Florida, and yeah, so it's just been a whole situation, like with trying to figure out how I can stream while like on the road, because right now my setup is like a PC, a desktop, and I mean, it has everything to be able to run what I need to stream, and my laptop, like I could probably stream for it, but the thing is I need to, like, the laptop that I usually use is a Mac, and like, I don't know, something happened with the battery where it's like swelling and it's popping the bottom encasing off, so I gotta go get it fixed, right? And I'm dropping it off tomorrow. I don't think it'll be ready, you know, like for Friday, or I mean Thursday stream. I don't know. We'll see. But more than likely I probably won't stream. I'll let you guys know regardless, you know, and I'll send out an announcement update on my Instagram, Lord Banks FX. You're out, follow me, and I'll probably send out a message on Telegram. If you're not on the Telegram, link is in the description. It's absolutely free. You guys can join the Telegram, and what I'll try to do is at least send a setup out, you know, like maybe a setup like this, and I'll send it as like a picture on the Telegram. But make sure you join that to catch that. Anyways, if I don't trade, or I mean, if I, not that I won't trade, I probably will trade, but if I don't stream Thursday, Friday, like, I'll be back Monday. But yeah, man, I even went to, I was considering like buying like a regular, just like a Windows PC laptop for it, but it is just a, like, I already have some laptops, some Windows PC laptops, but they're like work laptops, and like I use for different businesses, and I don't know like how good it'll be, you know, to be able to stream on those. I hadn't tried it, so yeah, I might just hold off till Monday. I'm sure you guys can do without me for a couple of days. Either way, man, you know, I'm gonna try my best to send out some signals, some trade ideas, some updates on the Telegram and Instagram. So make sure you're following me on those to participate in that. You just need a good connection. Well, yeah, that's another thing. Like, I don't know how good the connection is gonna be. Like, we're gonna be out by the beach, and I don't know. You could do no cam also. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like just do the chart. But like think about like the audio. How good would the audio be? Is there gonna be like a lag? Especially the way I trade. You want to have like really low latency, right? So you guys can get in if I get in, because most of the time, like depending on what your machine and the connection you have, there could be a lag, and my strategy doesn't really work if there's a lag. I mean, I know like YouTube, there's like maybe like 15-20 second lag, but that's not bad compared to longer than that. I think I saw it like when I did the Facebook one, when I tested it on Facebook, it was like almost a minute. And we make decisions quick. It'll only be like 4 meg upload without webcam. Yeah, maybe. I'll look into it, man. I mean, I'll try if I can. If I feel comfortable enough with what I have the setup, then I'll do it. But if it's not gonna, I don't want to reduce the quality of the stream just because because I could easily just send out information on the Telegram or Instagram. See. So right here, like, really it's made its move. So we don't really have much to go off of right here. Like we're kind of, we're gonna have to wait for another area to establish, like, level of resistance. Here's a nice little level of support, to then identify the ranges from there, because it's trading now in a different area. Like for gold, and the same thing for GJ. I mean, if GJ comes back and tests this area, gives us some bearish confirmation, then maybe take that trade to the downside. I don't know how comfortable I'd feel if this was like a bearish doji, and to take that for the continuation. I probably wouldn't. Just really depends how the candles print out. So that was a nice move, though. Nice move. Ugh. Damn. GA look like pulled up, continuation. Look at this consolidation zone though, and right here, no, well, it started trading right here, so would have already been moving down. But breaking above this, like, we got clean traffic to the upside. It doesn't look like it wants to do that. It looks like it wants to go down. GU, damn. Like this trade, if you would have held this from yesterday, 104 pips. Jesus. Crazy. Like 24 hours of holding it. More realistic to have caught this right here. About 60 pips. It is what it is. USD CAD. Damn. CAD broke all these levels. Shut up. I was looking at this to make a call on the Telegram. This thing is about to got like 19 seconds left. You know, even if we're looking at to get in here, there stops above the wick. The shoot down here. The problem with that is that we run into an issue right here. Price about 7 pips. I would want that to be a lot higher, like at least 1 to 1, 15 pips or so. As you see what it's doing, pulling up. I've been in drawdown, 9 pips. You know, I feel like it already made its move here. You know, maybe there's a second chance here if this thing comes up to like retest this broken level. That would be your break and retest. You know, maybe you can even run a fib here, show you a nice retracement zone, you know, literally around here. Could do something like that. Ooh. I keep getting these notifications. Ugh. Yo, I have to take off tomorrow at 8 a.m. and I haven't even packed. I haven't packed to drop off my dog. Boarding. Just whole ass adventure. A brand new candle here. See that this one closed like, looks like the selling is exhausted. It did close bearish, but you see there's indecision here. A big wicks to the top and bottom. So if this candle closes above, engulfing this candle, well, maybe that gives us the signal that it's gonna pull back. And I wouldn't get in to buy it back. Like I would wait for that to come back, respect this level that it broke, give us bearish confirmation, and then you could enter. That would be the break and retest, you know? And I know a lot of people that trade that, like it's very common, breakout and retest. I just prefer the little breakout move, catch my little bag and get out. Yeah, I mean, it looks like we might have missed it today. And not necessarily missed it, just didn't like the setup. You know, it played out, but I didn't like it. Did not like it. Yo, if you're just joining the stream, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex every Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, London session. Appreciate you guys joining, showing some love, keeping me company. If you're new, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I go live. I think we're probably... I started this, you know, like 3 weeks ago, almost a month. Yo, we hit 100 subscribers. I think we hit that today. I'm pretty sure we hit that today. Wow, that's awesome. Awesome sauce. I've only been I haven't even been streaming for a full month. I'm fairly new streaming. I'm not new to trading, but I'm new to streaming. Yeah. Look at this. See that? If we would have took that above the wick, it would have stopped us out. Like it's coming back. Test this area. Should we may get a setup here? Second chance setup or what? What do you guys think? It's 2 o'clock London Open. Maybe this volume push up could be London Open. I didn't even look at the fucking news, man. Shit moves so quick. Alright, so we have G20 meetings. CAD USD at 9:30. USD FOMC 1 o'clock. So that's it. Really just 9:30 and 1 o'clock. Should be out by then. Trading London. See what the Chinese indicator has to say. Low GBP, high USD. JPY is pretty low as well. What are the losers doing? 63% are short. Maybe they're finally cashing out. They've been short for a while. Holding all kinds of crazy drawdown. Oh man. Hmm. You know, like even if you jump in for a second trader, you got to pay attention to this level of supports created, right? Just pointing that out. And obviously you wouldn't jump in until you get that confirmation of like the bearish confirmation. I mean, at least for the way I trade, you know, like you guys can do whatever you want. I mean, you can jump in right now if you wanted to. I'm just saying. the way I do things. I would wait for something to tell me to do it. Oh, there goes gold. It's pushing down now. GA pushing up. Ugh. Ah, EU pushing up. I didn't even get a nap today, man. I haven't even packed and probably not even gonna sleep. I got a lot of shit to do. Just being patient, being patient. Wait for a second chance entry here, because I mean we missed our first one, just didn't play out how we wanted. This was the move right here. 45 pips. Where's EU on fib right now? EU. I mean, it looks like it's consolidating. Where are you trying to run fibs from? Looks ugly. Like this whole thing is consolidating. This whole block. Unless you were looking at like fibs here. Came and rejected right here. Could have gotten in right there and pumped you right back into the consolidation zone. But it looks like it wants to break out to the top side, the upside. Really, you know, pay attention to a close above here. That's kind of what this looks like right here. I don't think it doesn't look like a nice fib, to be honest. I mean, just because we have this heavy consolidation here. And you could probably run a fib within that, you know? If I was to run one from here. Oh. Came down, came back up, but disrespected the shit out of it. It's not really working there. Like, these candles right here just look disgusting with these huge wicks to both sides. Not really identifying direction. Little trend right here. Popped above, respected it. Popped again above, respected it. So maybe it's topping out right here before it goes down. Not sure. Look at GJ. How about that? I mean, it's in the golden zone right now. But we don't have any bearish confirmation. Probably jump into this thing right here. Put your stops above this wick. You have the strength of the support, top wick. About 16 pip stop. But this is hella risky right here. You know why? Because you have bullish momentum. This candle closes engulfing this. I mean, the probability that it continues is higher. You know? Look at it. I mean, it is just pushing. This push down here could easily just have been a fake out, and then it pulled back up into here and then continued to the upside. I don't know. I mean, we don't know what price is gonna do. We just have an idea. Let's see. 15 minutes pulling down. 5 minutes down. It's like 20 pip stop. Really like that. 1 hour and 4 hour. I mean, 4 hour you have a massive wick. The 1 hour, I mean, you have the, like, it's pulling back. But this could just be a pullback from all this volume. Remember earlier I was telling you guys, like, a lot of volume that pushed down. It's got to pull back a bit, and the market doesn't just move in one direction. I mean, it's respecting this fib, the golden zone here. Yeah. My eyes are like burning. See what it does here. See what it does. What up, AJ? What's good? Just getting to jump on. You haven't missed much, man. I mean, it melted on us. We had our setup, but because the way it melted in the volume, it didn't give us an entry. And because of that, we missed basically the setup. So we're just trying to see if maybe it gives us a second setup here. Like I said, maybe this was breaking and retesting. So could be a possibility, could be a chance. Yeah, you see that? Still pushing up. Still got all the volume in the world. Like I said, you know, you want to see, you want to wait for some bearish confirmation. And that is not bearish confirmation. What's gold doing? Oh, gold push back down. And you know, this could easily just be pushing up because of the London Open, the volume of London Open. You know? I predict GJ to 152, 100 by end of day. 152. Oh, you think it's gonna push up higher up here into this area? We'll see. We'll see. It's literally back up into our same level. Like I said, this could be the retest. Correct yesterday's move. We're talking about this whole move. Yeah, but it's got to beat, like, first of all, this move, beat this move, beat this area, beat this consolidation, beat these next levels of resistance, be able to have some, like, an opportunity. I don't know, I think it has a lot going against it to push all the way up. I think maybe it'll come down to test this 4 hour before it moves down that way. In the day, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, definitely in like 15 hours. I mean, a lot happens in the 3 hours we're here on the live session, right? 15, I mean, anything could happen. This thing's still not showing any move to the downside. Yeah, hey there, buddy. We have the same setup. Nice. What's up, bro? See how it reacts in this price area. I mean, right now it's just flying up, correcting this whole move. Push down, completely corrected it. See that? But maybe this is the retest. Maybe it'll just wick down. We got about 3.5 minutes. Now, if that's the case, if it wicks down under here, well, we would need bearish confirmation though. And it's still flying. Sonny, you gotta remember back on the first we were saying it could get up to 155 something. Oh yeah, that's right. We were talking about that. Damn, look at this. Back into the fucking range here. Yeah, man, that the move was this move. This was like 45 pips. Would have called it a day. It's just completely corrected that, and it's now back in the range. Still got about 2.5 minutes here. Trying to get some sellers for the move up. Yeah, could be just picking up some volume. Get that liquidity going before it just. My zones are a bit below yours. Yeah, I mean, I identify my areas based on the range and the possibility after them. You know, it could vary just a bit, and also the brokers, it could cause variation in the price. 151 700. Damn, look at this. Let's measure this candle. This is a fucking 40 pip candle. A freaking 40 pip candle, guys. Wow. That's crazy. That's a whole move right there. Got about 50 seconds left here. Like, wow, GJ, you just said, nah, we're not selling. JK. That'd be crazy. It just zoomed down. Should I sell to 151 100 from here? No, I don't know, man. I mean, this whole bullish candle kind of throws everything off. Trying to poke USD ZAR. Trade USD ZAR. Taking a profit one. I just don't think sells are valid at this point. I mean, you need some more confirmation. Because you just got pushed back right into this consolidation zone where you don't want to trade. And because you have this huge bullish candle, like you would need some confirmation that it's moving down. So maybe if I had like a bearish candle push down and then, you know, a second like bearish candle like engulfing that, then maybe we have some change of direction. But like, dude, look at this fucking candle. It's just this candle right here, basically you see it's engulfing this and this. The reason where this could have been a sell here, this break and close here, this candle basically invalidated it. Said no. Like, yeah, that was the move here, but we're just gonna we basically erased that. Now we're back here. We're back here. You know? So, you know, I'd be focusing on breaks above here, here. Really, these aren't good enough ranges, so maybe a break above here. You might get sell from 900 to 700, but you weren't here. 152, 100. Yeah, I mean, and that's like just right up here. Like, This could easily just pump up right up here before it continues down. I think that, you know, GJ is turning direction overall, but it needs volume to do that, you know. And look at this huge move it had yesterday. It was during New York, well, a little bit London, and then New York pushed it way down, right? Yeah, that's my only thing is that, you know, we came back into the zone and really you don't want to do nothing in there. Man, GA, look at that. Like really, this has a higher probability to reach this level, and this level than it does to come down to reach this, you know? Maybe if it breaks and closes below here with the body, maybe you have a chance to come down to this level. Like I said, I mean, this candle here is 2 o'clock London. It's still London. I mean, London just opened up. You know, there could be a lot of volume for the GBP pairs. Alright, Sonny, I'll catch you tomorrow. See if I was right. Alright, bro. We shall see here. Remember, you guys wanna be patient with your trades. Like, you don't just jump into something to jump into it, you know? Like, it's important to get something that you want, like a setup wise. Like, you want the setup that you want. Like, you got to think about it in your mind how you want it to look based on, you know, your experience of what plays out in your favor, and wait for that. Because if you just say, oh fuck it, like let me just go ahead and try it, like that's gambling, you know. I do have a stop loss at 151.896 in case. 896. Talking about like here. I mean, really, anything in this zone is free game. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I'd be more comfortable with the break and then putting the stop above the wick. You know, like if it broke down right here, you could put stop above the wick. It's like 14, 15 pip stop. And then you have, you know, nice move here and then here. And if it breaks here, I mean, you got a really good move to the downside. Hmm. Yo, I don't know why my fucking... Oh, this thing is weird. Like every time I upload now, try to post something on Instagram, it just doesn't... They like all fail. I don't know what's going on. Damn, look at it. Pushing down. Look at this. DJ. That's crazy. I was like looking at these. You're in a trade? Nah, I'm not in a trade, bro. This thing tripping. The move that we were looking for was here. 45 pips it went into, and then it busted this fucking candle all the way up. Now it's coming into play again, and really depending on how this closes, what's 15-minute look like? No, it's closing above. You know, if we can get a candle closure below, I wouldn't mind taking this to the downside. Mark this area. Because yesterday was horrible. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we're down 33 pips from yesterday. Week. And I mean, I think it's gonna push down, to be honest. I know people think it's gonna pull up here, but dude, I think it's just moving down. I think it wants to test this zone down here. No? Got about 14 and a half minutes. Got about 14 and a half minutes. Depending on how this candle closes, I may jump into something. All right. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. So it looks like it's going with our level here. We've got about 7 minutes left on this candle. What did the 15-minute? See, this one closed above. 15-minute. Be a nice stop. But I'd rather put it up here. Got 6.5 minutes. I want it to close below here, and I'll take a chance. All right, we got about a little bit under 6 minutes. Come on, baby. Give us a chance. Give us a chance. Gold's pushing back up. GA's pushing up. Q is indecisive. I mean, GU2 has this break and retest right there. That broke it. Retesting. You guys think? You guys think it's gonna give us a chance? I mean, from here we got this clean traffic to here. This level of support. I gotta see it break down. Break through there. Got about 3.5 minutes here. It's trying. What the Chinese indicator says. GPP strength, JPY, no strength. Or what this looks like. I mean, it looks like it's trading beneath here. 30, 15. About 2 minutes left. Hmm. Okay. Okay, minute and a half. Pull back up. Got about a minute. The 16 pip stop. Got about 15 seconds left. Alright, so I'm gonna jump into this. Jump into a sell here. Stops right above here. About a 15 pip stop. Okay, okay. Keep moving down, baby. Let's keep moving down. First level should be to do right here. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's play nice. Keep moving. So I am in an active trade here on GJ, risking 1%. Risking the 1% here. 15 pips. And we just want this to fall. Currently down about 3 pips, 4 pips. And this is fine, you know, it could just be creating its top wick, which we want ideally, you know. Here, 5, 7. That was my entry. Come on, baby. I think it's gonna retest and go straight down. Don't worry. Should a ghost sniper. Gonna You know, I never really worry about the trades. Like, it's a probability game, and you know, it is what it is. Like, I'm gonna come in and do the same thing, and my overall is what I'm shooting for. We are in an active trade. Took a sell here on GJ because this pushed back down, closed below target area. We have some nice clean movement down to the downside, kind of where we're targeting, and we'll see how it plays out. Funny. Currently down about 5 pips. Gold's pushing down. Jay is chilling. GU looks like it's exhausted here. Probably break retest, maybe finally coming down. Come on, GJ. I mean, we're in drawdown if you want to jump in. We're in drawdown about 3 pips. You just get a better entry if you want to take this. I'm in it right now, guys. I mean, I'm in it. I'm down 3 pips. So you make the decision on whether you want to trade it or not. It's on you. I'm going to tell you guys what to do with your accounts. Down 2 pips. The previous 30 closed below already, bro. This could just be the top wick before it continues to the downside. Look at, there it goes. Like, I mean, if I was jumping on the stream and I saw it, and I'm telling you I'm in drawdown a little bit, like, you just get a better entry point. I'm still confident in this move. Nothing has showed me otherwise. Now, if this goes back up here and closes above, back into this range, then yeah, I'll probably close out and say, nah, you know. I mean, but we're pushing into profit now. We're at entry. We're at entry, and if you took this trade, and if you're nervous and you're scared and you don't have no confidence in it, jump out. This is your chance. You're at break even. Jump out. I'm telling you, jump out. If you have no confidence, you know. I'm in it, and I'm riding this thing. We're in profits now. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah, Chimp's in it. Look at him. Confident. Gotta be confident in this game. You can't always depend on someone to reassure you and be like, oh yeah, yeah, do it. It's going down. Like, that's gotta come from within, man. So I got 20 minutes left on this candle. Previous candle closed below this area. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Got some nice clean traffic down here. This point, got a wick right here. Boom. I mean, then we got the zone down here. It looks nice. Not gonna lie, it looks hella nice. Only reason I would be concerned is if this candle closes back in this range. If it closes bullish in this range, then, you know, I would be looking to maybe take off some of my position, you know, minimize, there's a probability if it comes up here, closes in here, probability of it reaching here is a lot higher, you know. If it goes to take profit 4, I'm gonna cry. Come on, baby. 19 minutes left here. See what these candles are looking like. Oh man, I mean, I like it, dude. I like it all the way. Like, still nice. Nice wick to the top. You know, let price do its thing, you know. Got about 18 minutes left on this candle. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. About 4 pips in drawdown. 3 pips. Ugh. Man, I'm tired, guys. I'm gonna take a nap today. I didn't take a nap today, and I gotta be up at 8. 7 pips in drawdown. The Chinese indicator says, oh, losing strength. What the losers are doing, still selling. Don't do me like that. Oh, GJ. I'm saying, bro, like, shit. Look at you. Look at, what are you doing? What are you doing, GJ? Nobody wants you to go up. On about 7 pips. Oh no. What are you doing? So you see this 15-minute close back in the range. I can consider closing a portion of my trade, taking some risk off. But I'm trading on the 30 minutes, so I kind of want to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. Because it could just wick it. It could just be a wick, you know? Oh, come on, baby. I'll do that. Let's not do that. Oh, come on now. Down 11 pips. Got about 13 minutes left on this candle. Hmm. my gosh, 13 pips down. We got 3 pips till we hit stop loss. Okay. Come on, GJ. Pull back down. Got about just under 11 minutes left. Down 14 pips. Oh man, I'm about a pip away. Man, GJ, what are you doing? Just fucking with me. Oh, there it goes. And stops hit. Fucking GJ. So we took 16 pip loss here. Look at it. Look at it. Just disrespecting everything. What an asshole. It's been a shitty week so far. Taking fucking back-to-back L's some days. I ain't with your feelings, I know, bro. Like, it's all good though. Part of the game. Got about 8.5 minutes left. Man, the thing is flying. Get on the 4 hour now. Nasty ass wick to the downside. Crazy. Buys above 152. Yeah, mine's at 151, 954, but I mean basically same area. And it could get there, I mean, excuse me. What am I smoking on? It's a vape, dude. It's a fume called the fume vape. NYC will push it. Yeah, probably. There's like news coming out at 9:30 for USD, 1 p.m. So, well, I mean, if the dollar is pushing up, it may push this thing down. What the fucking wig, man? What an asshole today. We got violated. Hell yeah. Back-to-back days too, bro. Like, 2 tried Max Air Bar. I don't think I have, bro. I just started using these. These aren't like doesn't have like THC or anything in it. It's just like regular vape. This is grape 5%. 2.5 minutes here left on the stream. We took a chance on GJ and it violated us. What Jim said. What a bitch. Fucking GJ. This was our fucking move right here. I would have been happy with that move. would have been done. Like just nice little quick bag. Where if it breaks support again. Man, I don't know, dude. Like, maybe because it's the beginning of the month, like, there's like huge corrections being made. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, the coming out of the holidays and shit. Like the beginning of this week, Monday was holiday for Europe. Like this whole thing, it like literally corrected this whole move. So on a bigger time frame, this is just like a wick or like a complete fake out. We got a huge push down, right? And then consolidation, breakout, complete correction. So really, I mean, this could just be like liquidity trying to grab some volume, trapping all these people thinking that it's going to sell, continue to sell, to have enough volume to push back up to correct this move. You know? Who knows? But that's it. I mean, look at this candle. It closed up here and it's bullish engulfing. Look at it. Either way, guys, that is my time. It's 3:30. I appreciate you guys for joining. I appreciate the support. I appreciate everything you guys come in and contribute and keep me company. Look at this fucking thing. I'm not even. I'm not gonna trade it if it goes up to the top side, but I mean, setup is still valid if you guys want to take it. Either way, like I said, I'm not sure if I'll be back on tomorrow or Friday, just because I'm gonna be traveling and I gotta figure out that situation. So either way, I'll send out updates on my Instagram and my Telegram. If you're not on there, make sure you're following on my Instagram. Link to my Telegram is in the description. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys. Much love, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.